So gonna get started on replacing, and I hope I have all the parts. I think I do, all the little nuts and bolts and stuff, but we're gonna be replacing the right fairing and the entire headlight unit assembly. I've got to take off, that's kind of bright. Okay, so I have to take off a couple of fairings to get to it first, and we'll see. Okay, I guess a before picture would help. FYI, Gorilla Tape is awesome and waterproof, but plan accordingly if you're going to be needing to get it off. It's almost 100 degrees out here right now, and that was quite an experience. So here she is before, and then a lot of dust and everything has gotten in between there. Yeah, and a whole lot of residue from the Gorilla Tape. These zip ties have been phenomenal. They held up through the Ozarks and everything, except I didn't let 99 X-ray wheelie her because I was worried it might snap them. But zip ties are a biker's best friend. Okay, as I'm undoing everything, it looks like this is in worse shape than I had thought. So I just had to unhook that, and this kind of just slid off of here. But what's interesting is that this is incredibly wiggly, and I think that this entire unit is broken in half inside. So we'll see when I get to it. I probably should have paid a lot less for my bike. Okay. So yeah, that was a huge pain, but okay, got it off. I've had this bike for 1 year this month. Oh, I paid $5,400, too much. So all these, 09. Jeez, now that I think about it, that really looks like I saved you guys money. I saved myself money. I saved $500, $600, $700 in labor and finding the parts myself online. These are all OEM parts too. Babbitts.com, they were cheaper than anything. I mean, and eBay just scared me because it wasn't, and they weren't OEM parts, and the ones that were available were used, very, very used, and they were smoking crack on the prices that they wanted. So Babbitts, Yamaha, let me see, let me film that box for you guys. They shipped it to me fast, and let's see, yeah, let's see, Yamaha genuine parts. Yeah, I had a lot of recommendations on the YouTube comments too, and those were much appreciated for sure. Because I had no idea where to start looking, but related searches and all that stuff, it helped. Team Babbitts, BabbittsOnline.com. So let's see. That's about it. Genuine Yamaha parts and accessories. They have a lot of diagrams online so that you can see what all the parts are. Okay, all done with the carnage. Cannibalized it. But now, pretty eyes, angry eyes, grrr. all ready to go on the bike tomorrow. Okay, so before I start sweating to death and have to turn the camera off, I just wanted to show you the whole setup here, how it's going to go back on the bike. And FYI, plug it in, turn your bike on and make sure they work before you do everything else, before you hook it back up. It's also 100 degrees out here. Hot. There's one. There's the other. I'm one happy camper. I did it!
So when are we gonna go for a ride?
Baby, all done.